Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you. We are going to dive into the world of Excel and learn how to efficiently organize and analyze your data. If you have ever wondered how to make sense of your data in more structured way, this video is just for you. So let's get started. This data about the sales on any particular day in which we have the order ID, customer name, product, category, sales, quantity and profit. And at the end of the day, we wanted to get the summary of what we sold in the whole day. How we can do this? Let's learn. Here in this cell, I will write equal group by, and first I need to select the row field or the categories on which I want to group this data. So for example, if I want to categorize my result on the basis of the category of the product, I will select this category column. After this, I will put comma. Next, I need to select the values, and if I am interested in calculating the sales, so I will select these values. Again, I need to put comma. Then I need to select the function that what I want to do with this data. So for example, if I want to add the sales of each category, I will use the function of sum. So I will write sum. Then again I will put comma. And the next thing is that either I want to show the headers. Yes, I do want, and I have already selected them in the row field. So I will write 3, close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that we have the category wise sale of that particular day, and at the end we have the total sales as well. Now if I also want to add some more detail into it, like I need to check that how many items have been sold for each category, I can choose the quantity. And lastly, if I also want to get the detail of the profit category wise, I can also choose this. How we can do this? Let's amend this formula. So here in this formula, instead of just sale, now I will select all these 3 columns of sale, quantity and profit. And when we select them and press enter, we get the result of the quantity and profit as well in the same table. So here you go, your data summary is ready in seconds. And that's wrap. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are now feeling more confident using Excel to summarize your data. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And as always, leave any questions and comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy data crunching!